Hello guys. Once again, welcome to Semanhyia Farms, and my name is Fred. Today we're going to be talking about the most important thing this season as the rainy season start to come. Today we're going to be talking about nothing else than the brachiaria grass, right? So I'm going to share with you what I'm currently doing for myself. I know you guys have seen the video about how I tested the brachiaria grass, the germination and everything. Today I am here at the Semanhyia Farms. As you can see, the poultry farm just behind me. And basically it rained yesterday and it seems like the rainy season is just about to start. When I was driving here, I saw that it was raining in the eastern region. It was also raining in the Ashanti region. So if you haven't gotten yourself a brachiaria grass, do well, contact the WhatsApp number below and order for yourself a whole bag of brachiaria grass that you can grow for your livestock. Time for random grazing and trouble with livestock farming is over, guys. This grass, you guys saw me traveling through Mexico throughout the time to look for this grass and be able to bring it here. Contact the WhatsApp number below and ask them about brachiaria grass. They'll be able to share all the information that you need and how you're going to get one, either it being delivered to anywhere in Africa, or if you're in Ghana and you want it to be delivered to your shop, that also could be done for you. But today, that's not what we're talking about. Today, I want to show you what I am doing here at my farm with brachiaria grass. And as you guys know, the rainy season is just starting. And even though with a brachiaria grass, you can plant it directly like the way you plant maize, I like to, nurse it, because once I nurse it and I transfer it, then I can manage it properly. Sometimes when you just plant it directly, you have, lizard and squirrels come and remove it. Even birds will eat it. They all love the grass, guys. So, I like to nurse it myself and then know that it has germinated and then transplant it, right? And that is exactly what I'm going to show you guys here. So let me flip my camera and show you guys what basically we've been doing. So here is actually one of my poultry pen projects that I haven't really completed. What I'm using it for is basically to use it as a bird, right? So I'm creating beds, and these beds are what I'm going to nurse the brachiaria grass on. Tomorrow I'm going to come here and start nursing them. But basically today, we just did this yesterday and it rained on it. So that's really good. We added a bit of like the poultry dung to it, right? Which is really going to make it look more fertile. But basically, as you can see, I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row, right? So that's about 12. And that's about 18, right? And then I have another 6 there. So I'm looking at about 24 rows. I don't know how many grams I'm going to use to nurse here, but I'm going all in because in the next 3 weeks, I need to start transplanting it to the main field, because by then it will be raining effectively. And I know definitely well that whatever I plant is going to grow because I've nursed it, it has germinated. Right? If this is how you want to do it, that's okay. If you want to plant it directly, that's also okay. Last year we planted it directly and it did very well as well. But today I'm trying to nurse it because, the rainy season is not for sure, and I don't want to also waste time. So I want to take some time, be able to water it now. And when I see it fully raining, I can then start transplanting it straight on the farm. I'm actually going to be transplanting it right from here to the 100 acres of land, right? So this is not where it is going to be. If you guys have any question on brachiaria grass, go ahead and comment below or contact the WhatsApp number and my team can give you enough information about everything that we are doing and everything that you need to know about the brachiaria grass. I urge you guys, if you're thinking about starting any livestock farming, either pig, either goats, either sheep, either, cattle farming, this is really going to be a game changer for you. And that is why I'm converting a whole 100 acres of land into this grass, because I want to be able to scale. There is no way you can have 1,000 goats, 500 goats without having a source of food. and the only source of food that I see available to us now is this grass. So contact us if you need some, and we will arrange for you to get your hands on it too. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope this inspires you, because this year I am very excited, and I'm looking forward to what I can accomplish and how I can scale my livestock farm. So I hope you guys are inspired as well. But hit me up if you have any questions, or I can be of any help to you guys. But I'm looking forward to hearing what you guys have to say and what you guys are thinking as well. But let's do this together, guys. We need to start thinking about livestock farming differently. We can't continue doing the same thing we've been doing over and over and over again. It is not working, and it's not going to yield you the results that you need in order to quit your job that you don't like to be a full-time farmer, or even to see return on the revenue that you've invested in it. And that's why I propose this seed, that it is going to be a game changer to all of us. So let's all join hands, and as the rainy season is coming, get ourselves a brachiaria grass, go and plant it, and let's think about how we can expand our livestock this year. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll keep you updated as this germination grows and as we transplant it as well. Thank you so much, and stay tuned.